Hey, good morning. So now we are in this small town called Sungai Pilik. Okay, we're gonna get some breakfast here. And then after that, we'll be heading down to Tanjung Sepat, go fishing, and go for good makan. Okay, so now I'm in this food court. Okay, the Hakka mee looks not bad lah. Ordered the Hakka mee. And let's see how it goes. The Hakka noodles is not like what we get in KL or Sepat. Okay, the Hakka noodles is black. Okay, but it's actually quite good. It's so good that I forgot to take video before eating. This is how good it looks. Nah, this is the Hakka noodles. Not too bad actually. This is maybe 1/3 left. I whacked the rest of it already. So that was a good breakfast. So now we're going to head to Lovers Bridge at Tanjung Sepat. Okay, so this is life in a small town. We are in Tanjung Sepat now. I'm heading to the jetty called Lovers Bridge. Okay, once we get there, we can set up and then start fishing. Okay, so we have reached the jetty. That's the jetty in the background. And then there are some shops around here that sells food and drinks and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so we don't have to, you're not expecting anything big today, right? This place, all small fish. Yeah, we're going for what they call ikan bulus. Some people call it pase-pase. Others people call it swacham. So you see, this is the place where they sell food and drinks. The tide is almost full, so time to gear up and go fishing. So fishing requires quite a bit of patience. Got 2 rods back there in the water. Let's see what we can get. No guarantees of getting anything, but if the line's not in the water, there's only one guarantee: you won't get fish. Okay, there's a bite just now. Okay, so rebait again. Stole my bait. Try it again. Smart. Last time they used to bite by the mouth. Now they use the Western food. So it's fork and knife, so you don't catch the fish. Okay, let's stop now. Okay, this was the bait thief. Okay, this is what we call ikan gelama. Damn tiny fella, but very nice when fried in kunyit. Nice and crispy. Yum yum. Number 2, bigger than number 1. But not so bad lah. Look, ikan gelama. It can get bigger than this lah. But beggars cannot be choosers. Okay, here's another one. I think I found the spot. So one more. You see, only the cat will know. It's starting to drizzle, and we are nice and dry in the car. Okay, done with fishing. Now we go get some food. Okay, slight drizzle today, right? So now we're gonna get something to eat. Something that I don't normally eat. Okay, but wow, I tell you, I converted, man. The famous pao. Don't understand what's so good about it. Not something I would like to eat. There are better paos in the Klang Valley. But over here, this place, unbelievably good porridge, man. Okay. The last time I came here, the guy gave me a small bowl to try. We ended up buying a big bowl after that. Hi, boss. Joe. 一碗啊，1碗粥，and then 给我那个鱼蛋，鱼蛋罢了，鱼蛋 15粒 So okay, this is another thing that we should be eating when we are here. Okay, they've got a lot of other stuff, all the fish, you know, since this is near the beach. So they have some good stuff here. Okay, 给我这个一个。可以，谢谢。Okay, this is all the good stuff. 不用，那个够了。All the stuff we got. Okay, some teochew png kueh. Okay, and this is choked with fish paste inside. And this one is yao cha kwai stuffed with fish paste. You're gonna have a feast, man. Okay, over here we have some Chinese version of the choco udang, some fried dumplings, right? And the star of the show, the porridge. Wow. This, some chili, yum yum. So good, man. So bloody good. Now this yao cha kwai with fish paste. This you can get the other places, but not as good. Not as good as this. Yeah.
This is fresh, lah.
Okay, so now I'm home. It was a pretty decent trip. Okay, the food was not too bad, quite good actually. But the porridge was a bit of a letdown. It tasted hell of a lot better during my previous trip. Don't know, maybe because it was raining and we were hungry or something like that. But this time the porridge just didn't hit the spot. But other than that, the fish balls are quite good. It's quite an enjoyable trip. Let's see, what else shall we do next? Well, you guys suggest, right? See you soon. Bye.